Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Julie Rakinao, 45 years old, single. I have work experience as a domestic helper in Middle East in Saudi and Kuwait. In Saudi, I finished 3 years. My main duty in Saudi is to take care of 3 children as of 2 years old, 5 years old, and 7 years old. In Kuwait, I also finished 3 years. My main duty in Kuwait is to take care of 9-year-old boy autism. In Hong Kong, I finished 2 years. Last 2016, my main duty in Hong Kong is to take care of 3-year-old boy and 1 dog. And I'm also doing household chores like cleaning, cooking, ironing, and car washing. And I also going to supermarket and grocery stores. Ma'am and Sir, I am honest, trustworthy, hardworking, and patient. If you give me a chance to work with you, I'll do my best. I'll work hard for your family, and I will treat your children as my own children. Thank you, and God bless.